On the TU International Cricket Ground, the grand finale today.
How can we reward these fans who are quite literally...
Tails is the call.
Sompal Khaming, Sandeep Lamichhane, the magician. Talking about the Sandeep Lamichhane, Gulshan.
India and Pakistan in the Asia Cup. Explain what this means to the
Announcement in the ground, and
who will it be? Will it be Nepal or will it be UAE?
The national anthem, it's a sign of unity, it's a sign of pride.
Over it. That's an almighty. Into the sky. Now I think this is going to be runs. Rohit Paudel chases over his shoulder and going on. Beautiful shot. That's going to be 4. Over pitched from Karen Case. Long time. He's here because of this. What a catch. And right on the edge of the circle. And Bim Sharkey leaps into Lalit Rajbanchi's arms. And the crowd, they go wild. Look at that. Clipped away, going to be 4. Just the wrong.
Gets the outside edge, and look at Casey, he's showing him the way.
Well, what a moment this. In agreement from Rahat, Ali Chowdhury, and Case Aravind with him. Ritia, off you go for 8. Cricket team. Driven past KC and past mid-off.
He goes big time, the slot sweep. There is a fielder there, and he's dropped it.
Trying to take that fielder at the deep square leg. Aryan Lakra survives.
Oh, what a change that could have. Lakra edges and gone. Another one.
Of bowling. Slip in place.
That is a superlative delivery from Karan. Tempted the batter to have a little push away from his body. The slip catch was taken. Tremendous scenes here at the team.
After the catch drop, Aryan Lakra in deep trouble.
Slides the ball, it's up in there. How far is that going? There's a fielder coming underneath that one. And his...
Always the eyes on the ball. No mistake. Wicket number 4. The big man, Ramesh Shahzad, walks back.
Oh, this was in the air for such a long time. It was a difficult catch. But look at him judging that, coming over his shoulders, keeping an eye on it. Fielding performance by the home team. They're singing the Isles. Nepal turning it on. UAE have lost Ramesh. Short, to swivel around, he's got control of that shot. Total. Oh, he's hit that very well. That is shot to play, and the easiest of takes. The crowd erupts here as Nepal. Not the vagaries of cricket. Rohan.
Kids on. Helped around the corner. Going to be runs. And it's a quick out. Big shot attempted. And a big shot executed. The run. Edge. Going to be edge for 4. No.
There goes the wanted to be. There you go, rattle the stumps.
Look at the election from Gulshan Jah. Oh,
He's taking off the dust off his t-shirt. Yeah, it has been a long time.
Gunner inside part of the bat. He's having a look at the bat. Gulshan, who didn't look to threat the ground, gets a little bit of the bat on it.
He does soft.
Is that googly? Induce the edge once again. Ball's going to race away. He's thrown his bat at that one. That's got a hold of that.
Easily. There's the 7th wicket.
As a deliberate ball was going down the leg. It's
Big blow. Asif Khan trying to hit it over long on. Hit it hard.
for the big hoik. Look at the celebration from Lalit. Suddenly a run.
106 for 8. Perfect left armers delivery. Yeah, you can see the fingers underneath being called for.
This.
Enormous energy is going to the hand.
For stumping.
And 17 in 33 points.
Their date with destiny, their date with history. It's Rajbanshi, the hero. Patel, the
117 is what they managed. The last man, Junaid.
they could get there. It'll be 118 runs to win. Lalit Rajbanshi.
There in the replay, Kusal Bultail attempting a big sweep shot and looks pretty close. That should be out.
Rohan Mustafa just managed to nip it back, and that's the style of celebration.
Playing across the line.
Goes, sweeps it, hits it pretty hard.
Gulshan will be safe.
Yeah, there goes the
Played with soft hands. Gulshan just playing away from his body and luckily fell just short of.
quicker one. He's picked that up. It's going to the corner. Go after. Look at this. Full swing on the bat. Got a bit of it. It's almost into the clouds here. And then dropping safely and over 4.
Look at that.
Goes Mustafa. What's he going to do this time? Well, we've seen ludicrous celebrations. He may go off the pitch here. I think he's off to the dugout. And there he
Shots. He has to depart for 1. Nepal
for 3. Big shot down the ground. Gulshan Jah. He stands and delivers.
That roar.
Yes,
Has been so far. Goes back. It's going a long, long way.
Taking on the experienced Basil Hamid, not under pressure.
Spectacular strike here by the young man.
TU International Cricket Ground. Knows his art very well, the wicket keeper. Previous over.
Mayappan goes big. Spectacular shot. What a strike. He is charging on. This is scintillating.
right away. Going to run away. Now a stroke of aggression. It's a stroke of success. It's a stroke for down the leg side. Now what does this hit? If anything, it's going to cannon
Where the team is standing at the moment. And he's got that inside it.
against UAE to send them to Zimbabwe. Has Gulshan Jazz knock here of 75 deliveries thus far, sent Nepal to Pakistan. His innings basically won the game.
Gulshan Jazz is made a flourish here.
Back line, oh, hit it over the top. Yes, it's going miles away from the tip six for Gulshan Jazz.
What a way to finish here. And nicely done round the corner, quickly through for the run. They make it. Good call. Good response.
And look at the boys, look at Gulshan Jazz and look at Bhim Sharkey.
This moment of history which has been created up. The crowd are delirious. There's so much.
Came out here in numbers after the rain yesterday.
That's the summary, the final of this men's ACC Men's Premier Cup here in Nepal. They're soaking in the applause. They're going around the ground. There will be
thanking their supporters.
Some dedicated work.
History, they have won the ACC Premier Cup and they have qualified for the Asia. Here they are, your champions.